Be ready. Start. Mr. Speaker, sir, it gives me great pleasure to felicitate Shri Charanjit Singh Atwal on his unanimous election to the august office of the Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Stop. Apart from the great sense of satisfaction of our being able to elect yourself, sir, as well as the Deputy Speaker Shri Atwal unanimously, all of us share in the added pleasure that the deliberations of this House will be guided by such able and distinguished parliamentarians. Stop. Shri Atwal had not only presided over the proceedings of the Punjab Legislative Assembly for 5 years, but he had also been an active member of both the Legislative Assembly and our Parliament. Stop. Mr. Speaker, sir, Shri Atwal's long association with the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association and his active participation in international conferences of parliamentarians and legislatures has given him a truly global vision. Stop. Members of this House will benefit enormously from his understanding and appreciation of parliamentary practices and procedures. Stop. This House has many first-time members, and they, along with all of us, will look to senior members like Shri Atwal for guidance and advice in our collective effort to ensure the smooth functioning of this august House. Stop. Mr. Speaker, sir, I once again compliment Shri Atwal. Stop. I also offer him my best wishes, along with the assurances of closest cooperation from the United Progressive Alliance, our party, and myself. Stop. Mr. Speaker, sir, I join the Honorable Prime Minister in congratulating Shri Charanjit Singh Atwal for adorning the office of Deputy Speaker of this House. Stop. The unanimous elections of the Honorable Speaker and of the Honorable Deputy Speaker speak of the maturity of our democracy. Stop. As it has been correctly pointed out, Shri Atwal has a very wide experience. Stop. Presiding officer, as he had to handle the Punjab Legislative Assembly as the Speaker. Stop. As a member of this House, he has made his own contribution. Stop. In various international parliamentary fora, he has made his presence felt. Stop. I have no doubt that on assuming this august office, he will guide the deliberations of the House, and he would give his advice and guidance which is needed to a large number of members, including me, who have been elected to this House for the first time. Stop. Once again, I take this opportunity of congratulating him and assuring him of the fullest cooperation from our side. Stop. Mr. Speaker, sir, associating myself with the views expressed by the Honorable Prime Minister and Leader of the House. Stop.